I'm traveling to Korea this year and I'm very excited. And so I've been looking at a lot of Korean food and I thought I'd share a couple of recipes with you that have been highly successful in our family. We also found the gochujang paste at Coles. There will be smoke alarms. Oh man, it smells good. So it's beautifully cooked. I'm going to show you some Korean soy marinated eggs. Great in ramen, they're great on sandwiches, they're great with steak for the eggs before it goes in the fridge. If you haven't made this teriyaki sauce, why do you even have a Thermomix? This is hilarious. You only move the top one.
Okay, ready? You go.
Man, I love that. This is Korean strawberry milk because it's pretty, it's pink, and it's delicious, loud. Good bit of snow there. Cheers, team. Cheers. Cheers. I'll see you in Korea.